Subway backsplash installation. With this, a client invested back in the fall of 2023. Stay tuned. Here we go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie the back at you. So today I'm going to talk about this Subway style backsplash installation I did back in the fall of 2023. Now I'm going to go over the information I have, which was what I did and what the client invested and how much time it took and so on. So first thing we're going to go over is what kind of tile that was installed. So it was a ceramic, I believe it was a 3x12 or 4x12 ceramic tile. And I installed it right onto the drywall, which was in good condition for the backsplash. Installed with a mortar and not a mastic. You could use mastic, but mortar always works in almost any scenario. So use mortar to install it and so on. As far as how long it took, I invested about 3 days into the project. As far as hours go, some days are longer, some days are shorter, but a total of 3 days on the project. Now, I'm going to go over what I supplied, and then the rest the client pretty much took care of. So I supplied the mortar to install the tile, the drop cloths and all that to protect the floor, you know, all my tools and so on to do the installation. What the client supplied was the tile itself, the grout, and the caulking necessary. And I was able to remove the receptacles there, pull them out, put the outlets covers, take them off, and then put them back in. They also supplied the countertop protection material, and they installed that for me when I got there to start on the day one. So I'm going to go over kind of what you can expect on a typical backsplash like this with a Subway style tile, like how it goes every day, at least from when you hire someone like me, the owner operator. So first day I come in, I stage an area to set up the cut and mix, all that kind of stuff. Then I protect the countertops and the floors and all that, which the client actually did the countertops for me. So I just protected the floors, kind of pull out the stove as needed. Then I start installing the tile that day. The second day, usually I will finish unless I run into some or it's a really big backsplash or bigger than this one at least. Then by the third day, I'll be grouting, caulking, putting outlets, covers back in, and cleaning up the whole site, and pretty much be done that day. So that's what you can expect as far as the time frame and who supplies what. At least on this project. Every project's a little bit different. There's a lot of variables. But anyway, now I'm going to go over what the client invested at the time. So the total amount that the client paid me to do this project back in the fall of 2023 was $2,250 to do this installation for them. Now again, this is at the time of the project. Depending on the market and how things are going and all that, prices will vary. So if you want some more information about your project, please give me a call. Visit the website, send me an email, whatever works best for you. I'm here to help and serve. So everyone out there, I hope this video helped you. I will see you on the next video. Donnie D, signing off.